In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain using the new client interface in Siteground. Whether you're setting up a new project or just expanding your current website, using subdomains is a fantastic way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Siteground's homepage. You'll want to head over to Web Hosting Perfected by Siteground. Once you're there, you should see the login option. Click on Login to head to the Login section. Here you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you've saved your information, you might be able to use autofill to speed up the process. Once you've successfully logged in, you will land on the My Siteground account page. This is your central hub for all things related to your Siteground hosting account. From here, look for a section labeled Websites and click on it. Navigating to this section is crucial because it's where all your current websites are listed, and you need to access these in order to create your subdomain. After clicking on Websites, find the particular website for which you're setting up the subdomain. Next to it, you'll see an option for Site Tools. Click on Site Tools to get into the nitty-gritty settings of your chosen website. Inside the Site Tools panel, you'll notice a section called Domain. Click on this to proceed. You're almost there. In the domain section, you should see another option labeled Subdomains, which is exactly where we need to be for today. Click on Subdomains to start the subdomain creation process. Now you'll be presented with the option to add a name for your subdomain. Think creatively and logically about what name will suit your needs best. Whether it's a separate section of your business, a blog, or a special campaign, choosing the right name is key. Once you've entered an appropriate name, the system will automatically append it to your main domain. Finally, to bring your new subdomain to life, all you have to do is click on Create. This action will generate the subdomain under your specified domain. Give it a moment to process, and behold, your subdomain is now active. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a subdomain using Siteground's new client interface. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to refer to Siteground's support resources. Thanks for watching and happy web hosting.